welcome to another video. This is day 2 of the 3rd week and we are at home sweet home. Gym closed at 1 p.m. today because of Australia Day. I didn't end up going to train in the morning. Maybe we'll get there one day, but today wasn't the day and we still need to get the work in, so that's why we're here. And today we're training arms. Funny how the last arm session was also at home. We were also going to work the brachialis. So biceps, triceps, brachialis and forearms. Am I missing anything? I don't know. Well, let's get started. One warm-up done. Maybe do one more warm-up set and then get into the rest of it. But I also don't plan on talking too much this session because since it's late, I sort of just want to get the work done, show you guys, put it up on YouTube so that it's there for proof, and move on to the next day. In the first warm-up set we did 20 reps, second we did 15. Starting with the barbell now, 15 kilos on each side. First working set, let's do it. I was thinking whether or not to do the eccentrics. I think we'll do 1 or 2 more of these weights and then we'll go up to 20s on each side, and that set will probably be our eccentric set. Okay. Second working set, same weights. One more set, third set. I'm probably not going to get much reps out of this, so we will use some eccentrics. Man, there's a nice breeze coming through here every now and then. I've got the 220s on the bar now, so this will be the first of the last. 220s on each side. One more. Couldn't control it anymore. That was the ninth rep. Even the 8th one we couldn't control. 9th one we failed on for sure. I say we do one more of those and then move on to the triceps. Let's go for at least 7. We'll go with the 15. That didn't really feel good in my right shoulder. I think I should avoid having my arm overhead like that. What can we do? You know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna resort to some tricep kickbacks. Like that. Just with the 10s, that's all we can do for now. Should be enough. That feels pretty intense. I want to try a set using this 15 plate. It's the only 15 kilo plate we have, so just gonna do one arm at a time, but we'll see if we can do it at all. Definitely feeling the squeeze, but it's pretty easy to start swinging. I said it was pretty easy to swing, but we'll try again with the 15 and we will do our best not to swing. Man, I'm sweating quite a lot. Quite a lot. Just gonna finish off with a couple of sets of some narrow push-ups. Don't know how many I'll be able to get, but we'll try our best. Just gonna time to rest up for the next set. Ready for the next set, let's go. Ouch! Whew. 8, I think it was 8. And that should be all for triceps. Finish off with a bunch of these for the brachialis. I got some sweat in my eyes. Alright, and again. Nice. One more time. We're done. So we've made it to the end. High five. All right. This workout is brought to you by my feet. Yes. Special edition because we're at home. Now that that's done, wowee, look at that. Now that that workout's done, time to have dinner. Tomorrow, we definitely need to train. What we're going to train, we'll see. I've got in mind some legs. That would be a good session if we do legs. I got some things I can do for that. And then Sunday we also need to train. Stay tuned. I'll see you tomorrow.